Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can increase the decimals for numbers and data in your spreadsheets on Google Sheets. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your document. Let me just return to the previous table to show you a good example. So let's assume you have a set of data like that in a spreadsheet. And you have also cells here with numbers that have decimals, like this one here. So now let's assume you would like to add more decimals to that number, not only one or two to the right of the dot here, but more of them. So this is how we can do it, guys. There are these two buttons here, sorry, at the top, increase and decrease decimal places. And if you'd like to add more of them, simply press or click into increase decimal places. And that is going to add more zeros next to the dot, as you can see, and you can add as many of them as you like, infinitely. And that's it, guys. If you'd like to reduce these, simply click into that button next to it. And that's how it works. Of course, alternatively, guys, you may simply add manually zeros. You can do that, of course, as well, if you like that option. But as you can see, it doesn't save. So you will need to apply that option with that button here so that these decimals and zeros may stay in the given cell. As you can see, if I click off, the zeros stay. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.